Imagine a creature so heavily armored, so robustly built, that it earned the nickname the Invincible Tank of its era. This isn't a concept from science fiction or a modern military prototype. It's the astonishing reality of one of the most formidable dinosaurs ever to walk the Earth. We're diving deep into the prehistoric world of Ankylosaurus, a name that fittingly translates to fused lizard. This incredible herbivore, first discovered in 1906 by the renowned Barnum Brown, roamed western North America roughly 70 to 66 million years ago. Its existence provides a captivating glimpse into the intense evolutionary arms race that defined the late Cretaceous period, right up until the mass extinction event. Standing between 20 and 26 feet long and weighing a colossal 4.8 to 8 tons, Ankylosaurus was an absolute marvel of natural defensive engineering. Its most striking feature was its extensive, almost impenetrable armor, a complex mosaic of bony plates known as osteoderms or scutes that covered nearly its entire body. We're talking neck, back, hips, and even its delicate eyelids were protected. Its skull, wide and low-slung, featured 2 pairs of formidable backward-projecting horns. Only its soft underside remained a significant vulnerable point, but its defense wasn't purely passive. This dinosaur wielded a truly remarkable and active weapon, a massive club-like tail. Formed by fused vertebrae and encased in thick, bony knobs, this tail club was a potent offensive and defensive tool. Paleontologists believe it was capable of delivering strikes powerful enough to shatter the bones of large predators, serving as a fearsome deterrent against apex carnivores like Tyrannosaurus rex. While certainly not built for speed, likely maxing out at around 6 miles per hour, its substantial bulk and strategic agility were perfectly suited for tactical defense. As a dedicated herbivore, Ankylosaurus primarily browsed on low-lying vegetation. Its diet would have included ancient plants like ferns, cycads, and potentially more modern angiosperms and pulpy fruits. Its broad muzzle and narrow beak were well adapted for non-selective grazing, allowing it to gather a variety of plant matter. Interestingly, despite its relatively small leaf-shaped teeth not being designed for extensive grinding, a broad ribcage suggests it possessed a complex fermentation digestive system, much like some modern herbivores' lizards, to process its unchewed plant food efficiently. A muscular tongue likely assisted in intake. This armored giant thrived in subtropical coastal plains, an ancient landscape characterized by warm, humid climates and abundant plant life, across what we now know as Montana, Wyoming, Alberta, and Saskatchewan. Here, it coexisted with other legendary dinosaurs, creating a rich ecosystem that included Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, and Edmontosaurus. While its eyesight was likely rather poor, Ankylosaurus compensated with an incredibly acute sense of smell, aided by a large olfactory bulb. This was crucial for detecting both food sources and the presence of lurking predators. Its complex nasal passages may have also played a role in thermoregulation, helping it manage body temperature in its humid habitat. Intriguingly, fossil evidence hints that Ankylosaurus possessed larynxes similar to birds, suggesting they might have produced complex, bird-like vocalizations for communication. While definitive evidence is scarce, this opens up fascinating possibilities for understanding their social behavior, perhaps indicating small family units or even territorial signaling.
Despite over a century of study, numerous aspects of Ankylosaurus's biology and behavior continue to fuel paleontological debates. For instance, the primary function of its iconic tail club is still discussed. Was it predominantly for defense against formidable predators like Tyrannosaurus rex? Or did it also serve a significant role in intraspecific combat, battles between individual Ankylosaurus for dominance or mating rights? Evidence of damage on fossilized tail clubs certainly supports its use, but the precise context remains a subject of active inquiry. Another intriguing question revolves around its dietary specificity and chewing mechanics. Early interpretations suggested weak jaws suitable only for soft vegetation, but later comparative studies indicate its jaw could withstand considerable forces. The precise role of a muscular tongue and internal fermentation in compensating for its limited chewing remains a key area of study, as does the exact variety of plants it consumed. The persistent rarity of Ankylosaurus fossils, particularly the absence of a complete skeleton, also poses a significant puzzle. Was Ankylosaurus genuinely rare in its ecosystem, or are its preferred upland habitats simply less conducive to fossil preservation compared to the riverine or swampy environments where many other dinosaur remains are found? Every new discovery, no matter how small, becomes incredibly significant in piecing together its story. From its initial discovery by Barnum Brown to the ongoing research by modern paleontologists like Victoria Arbour and Jordan Mallon, Ankylosaurus remains an enduring symbol of prehistoric resilience and ingenious evolutionary design. The fused lizard continues to capture our imagination, reminding us of the incredible diversity and innovation of life millions of years ago. Future studies, leveraging new fossil finds, advanced analytical techniques, and comparative biology, promise to unravel even more mysteries about this incredible creature, from the precise function of its unique adaptations to refining its dietary and behavioral models. The persistent scientific fascination with this living tank ensures that the story of Ankylosaurus is far from over.